We have to continue through the rooms of the villa, but we can't do it without emptying them completely first. So in today's video, what we're going to do is transform a really messy little room into a storage area. Let's get started.
Abandoned house. That's the big mission.
The room is this one, but not this side here. It's this side over here. Just look at how it is right now. It even gives you the creeps to go in with all the shadows. And how are the walls? There are some suspicious things there. Everything is pretty dirty and also messy. So first we're going to remove this panel, that way we'll get a little more light in. We'll remove this and start clearing out the paint before putting everything back. Let's see if this doesn't get in our way for a moment. Mom, let's see if the two of us can drag it together. I don't know if this sheet is very heavy. If it's heavy and it falls like this, bam. It's a bit tricky anyway. Damn, that scared me.
Should I bring you the ladder?
Wow, what a hit with the screwdriver. For that, we're going to assemble the shelves that Feroke sent me, which are super practical. Notice that it's 1 meter wide, 40 centimeters deep, and 2 meters high, and it can hold up to 300 kilos. It'll be perfect for us. We're going to assemble 5 shelves and put them inside, but first we have to paint, organize, and well, lots of things. Oh please, and what a huge spider. Oh, look.
I don't see it.
Mom, don't you see it? It's huge.
No. Well, it's not big, but it has huge legs.
It has long legs.
They are easy to assemble.
Are they easy?
Do they have a screw?
Come on. Whoa, the lights came on. How beautiful.
Oh, what a joy. So much light.
Phew. And let it air out a little. Let it air out.
Since we're at it, let's take this one off too.
Okay. It's a different story, isn't it?
I think you can see it from the window.
Just for the views alone?
The palm trees. You can see the little palm trees from here and the cute house we like.
But look, it really looks like there's a painting there now. Neighbor, come on. Hello?
A little bit of salt.
All right, enough nonsense. Let's continue. Hey, what if I hand you things from here? Won't we save time? Alright, and to assemble the top part of the shelf, my father is using this ladder, which is also from Feroke. And I already have it open because we used it for part of the facade. You've probably already seen it, but we did the renovation of that side over there of the wall. And to avoid moving the scaffolding from one side to the other, we used this ladder, which is super tall. Look at all the steps it has. And it worked really well for us to save time on that, especially not having to move the scaffolding. Another thing that Feroke sent us is this miter saw. And honestly, I couldn't be more excited to have a miter saw because I think it's something that's used a lot. Miter cuts are hard to do, not to make, but to make them look good. So with this miter saw, we've already got a lot done. Now my father will start working on the remaining baseboards inside the house. Let's try it with the wood and see how it works. What options are there? I mean, how can it be cut?
It has the normal straight cut, it has the miter cut to one side, miter cut to the other side, and then it has a miter cut along the length. You remove it. It's a small clamp here to hold the wood and reaches this side. Back here it has the measurements, so you know how the angles go. Well, here it has this angle to make 45 or whatever measurement you want, and you lock it in place. At the front, there's an angle gauge to set any angle you want.
I'm especially interested in the 45-degree miter, which is for furniture and 1,000 other things, honestly.
this little clamp because it helps you hold it in place.
Wow, that's thoughtful.
It has a safety trigger to prevent accidental pressing.
It fits, just perfect. Perfect, let's see. Wow, this is just perfect. For example, for doors, window frames, and so many things. See how perfectly it fits. Doing this by hand is nearly impossible. Now, let's try the one for the baseboards, which interests me.
Doing it by hand is really hard, so this is what you need to use. 0. It's at 45.
Look at the cut, how good it looks.
It turned out perfect.
When you combine the two, it looks great.
Well, we'll have to get to it.
Check this out, handmade.
Handmade work is tough without a saw like this. We haven't let her use it, so the work continues.
If I don't cool down before continuing, it lingers.
Couldn't be better, huh?
Well, it looks really good.
I'm quitting craftsmanship to work with the machine instead.
It's just such a professional finish. Besides the mitre saw, Ferox sent us 4 outdoor lamps, which are these, and they'll go on this wall, which we've recently fixed. These outdoor lamps are amazing because they have several options for installation. To turn on the light, these 2 tabs let you adjust the light or close it completely. You can direct the light to come only from the top or only from the bottom. There are many options.
From the top and from the bottom.
The same, pretty, wow, cool.
To increase brightness, open it more. Do the same from the top for the upper part. And you open it from the top as well.
How beautiful. I love it because these lights, besides illuminating, also decorate the wall. What I wanted to do with these was to cut them here, snip, and use this as a structure to create a new headboard, let's say. Like the base would be this and I'd cover it with fabric, but the thing is they're smaller, right? It's not for a 90 centimeter bed. I think this is too small.
It could be for an 80 centimeter bed,
No, not for an 80 centimeter bed.
in case you have any doubts.
Let's measure it. If it's 80 centimeters, we can't use it. I also found these headboards. Well, Ivan found them, to be fair, in the dumpster. He called me immediately and said, "Look what I found. What should I do?" And I said, "Ivan, don't even think about it. Grab it. They're practically new, but I mean, you never know when you might need a headboard."
You'll take that home with you.
Oh my goodness, I bring things from there to here, from here to there, from there to here, from here to there, from there to there. But how could I leave this behind? It's just not possible. It's impossible. I'm not sure if you can see it well, but look how beautiful it is.
They're just beautiful.
They're just super beautiful. Oh no,
Let's unload the wood.
this part goes down, this part lifts up, and you put a screw here. It's really cool and looks great.
Very pretty. Well, we'll find somewhere, right, to put them.
The thing is, it even went up to the front part. These short ones you saw are for the foot of the bed. I mean, it's just super cool. Put it next to this one. Let's check if they're the same size or if that one's smaller. See, that's what I was worried about.
The 10 centimeters are missing.
Oh yes, it's for an 80 centimeter bed, but still the headboard is small. That one is small.
Put it out 1 point less.
When did we store all this? Is it done already?
From here, just off the top of my head, we'll distribute it better later. Especially this one here, which will go higher up. We'll leave one more.
Of course.
Totally adjustable.
That's good. So we can decide as we go. We have one set up, we're missing the rest, but well, we still have some work to do because over here we have this. At what moment?
We're going to set up a flea market.
At what point did we accumulate all this? I don't know. I don't understand. We're supposed to use this to move things from the rooms, but I don't really see how, huh? When I took out the headboard, I found a bug behind it. Whoa, a huge spider. But it was a mosquito. I mean, it was huge, like this, huh? A giant mosquito.
Look, what we have here are little spiders, chubby ones, huh?
The chubby one. What's chubby here?
I've seen bigger ones, huh? And what's here? A nest of, not spiders, no, ants. They go in and out. Mom, what a racket, for God's sake. Come on, take all the spiders away, go on. I think all this drywall can be thrown out. It's what's left over from the arch. I think it can all go. And these metal rods, I'll tell you, I don't know. How is there so much stuff? I don't get it. These mosquitoes aren't normal. A couple of mosquitoes bit me and wow, seriously, look, I managed to catch the mosquito. Look at it.
It's big. It's definitely well fed.
But no, it's huge. Mosquitoes aren't usually this big. Maybe we can use this one? Wow. It's just that there are some huge spiders, but they're not harmless spiders. They're the kind that bite you. And I don't know, you turn into Spider-Man. Well, we finally have it empty. You can even hear the echo. We're just missing this. Whoa, big spider! Here, you caught it with the broom, Mom. It's dead. Come on. Careful, careful. The bug place. How did that get in?
How do I catch it without killing it?
Pick it up with a little napkin.
Let's see, this flies, right?
Yes, it might fly and stink, right?
What little bugs?
I'm telling you, we don't want to scare you. We're definitely not from the countryside, you know.
That's it?
Oh my God.
Could it be?
Oh, I'm dying of laughter. The other day I was talking with Mario, my cousin, and the topic just came up. I say yes, Rafa Mora, and he asks, who is that? I reply, come on, you know Rafa Mora, the one who used to be on...
Men, women, and...
Yeah, the one who used to be on Women Men. He asks me, what is that show? And I say, oh my God, I feel so old. I was going to say he's from my generation, but now that just feels like the final blow. Oh my God.
I didn't even know him, honestly.
No way.
What year is it from?
Oh, well, I don't remember, but I used to see him eating when I was in high school.
But your brother did watch that show, didn't he?
But Albert is from my generation. Oh my, how time flies. Now, well, if someone mentions someone from today, I probably have no clue at all. Well, we've had our coffee, so now we're going to paint and we'll leave everything nicely painted. Before having coffee, well, actually, that's why we went to have coffee. I sprayed insecticide. Oh, you can still smell the insecticide from here. And it's been a while, huh? But everything that was there, unfortunately, is no longer there. All right, so let's paint it white. This change is temporary and we'll need to do it right later. Since it won't be a storage room, it'll become something else in the future. But for now, it's gonna be perfect for us because otherwise we can't keep working on the bedrooms.
We need to empty and remove everything.
If we don't take things out, nothing else will fit.
I'll keep going with my stuff.
Not with your little toy.
How many do you have left? With everything we can put here, the little room will be emptied out, huh?
Yes, I hope so. The paint I'm using is paint that we've had left over from the renovation. That way we can make use of it somehow. And painting the walls, well, I don't know, it also disinfects a little bit and everything just looks cleaner. It's not like I'm going to put a lot of effort into painting, just enough to make it look decent. A cute little storage room. My dad is already on the third shelf. Hey, that's a good pace. We're making good progress. I had to put on a mask because between using too much bleach and the paint, which is for outdoors, it's really strong, really strong.
Is it already painted?
Take a look at it.
Well, it already looks super white here. Wow. It doesn't look like the same room, huh?
Oh my goodness, it's so white now, isn't it?
So clean.
Yeah, huh?
You can already breathe clean air?
Totally.
The cornice is still missing, huh?
No, the cornice and roof are still missing.
Yeah, it's worth it to do the roof. Just paint a little bit here and that's it, because the roof isn't too bad, right?
It's just something very temporary.
Temporary.
Well, we'll just give her the cornice and that's it. Yes, that's it.
Yes, that's it.
Start putting up shelves and small things I'm already leaving outside. Look at all that's there.
Oh, there's a stick here. I nearly snapped my phone in half. No way. Who? They told me not to hit the ceiling so I wouldn't waste time, but look at the difference. That's wild. You really have to do it. Let me check if there's an extender here. Do you notice anything different?
The cornice?
I also painted the ceiling.
In the end, you painted the ceiling.
Yes. The ceiling didn't need it since it was only temporary.
But that's it, right?
You can't imagine how loud it was. It'll look great.
Everything all fixed up. Oh, I want to see it now, okay?
Yes, me too. This is how it turned out. Now I'm going to add a little bit here, right at the joint of the ceiling, just to finish it off. For the final touch, right? And then we'll leave it here for today, because this morning we worked really hard on the facade. We're exhausted.
Yes, I'm already tired, you know.
It's incredibly exhausting.
It's 6:30.
No, plus we need to buy supplies and the store will close soon, but I can't take it anymore. People don't want to fold.
You might say I'm already excited to see it.
I've had problems finishing the roof.
Ah, don't tilt it back, tilt it back.
This one would go there now. Now there? Wow, at least there are things here, girl.
It's pretty, huh?
Yeah, another one that.
Oh my god.
He's going to come back, isn't he?
Wow, the ceiling was just painted. And you've already made a scribble on it. Now we put on the little handles which fit right in. We brought them empty because that way they weigh less. And now we put the wood in place. There's just one left to assemble and we're done. Can you reach? Well, it's a new day and we've been working this morning on several things we still have pending. And now after lunch, we're going to continue with the, what should we call it?
Storage room? No.
Yes, storage room. So let's start filling up all these shelves that are just begging for it.
But we still need to fill in the middle, right?
We're going to put this here.
A bit more accessible, right? Since that's often used.
Within reach, I just want to make the most of it.
Within Ivan's reach,
Just to maximize the limited top space, not for small items.
we really have to fit everything inside.
Everything is already organized, you know, that's why.
Is that shelf electric?
And here, plumbing.
Plumbing and everything else, anywhere.
More or less.
Let's see, this gets used a lot, so it's better to keep it handy, right?
These are screws.
Yes, so here we put screws and little things that are used more often. This is already empty, let's see.
That one's empty and that one's full.
Hey,
There are still some left to fill.
No, we don't need to fill them. They're done. Actually, not all are done. There's still space here. We'll put the small paint cans here.
this is already starting to look different, huh? Yes, I think finding or grabbing things is easy. You can find everything just fine.
Yes.
Explain to us the layout in each one.
Your father placed things on one side, I put others on the opposite side.
Here I have the painting supplies, and here are the masonry items. Here is the stuff for
Tiles, grout.
leveling.
Leveling,
More tiles.
Here too.
And here your father has already put this.
plumbing and air conditioning.
Now the other one.
Electricity,
Electricity.
silicones, items, screws.
Things you need to have more at hand, right?
This is wrong because there's silicone here and we'll use it with the silicone.
Correct.
Look, good thing I asked you, otherwise we would have made a mess with the silicones.
The silicones just arrived, so it's not like
They're recent.
Here are screws, various little things, and well, that's it. Here are all the sandpapers.
Everything's organized. Let's see how long it lasts.
That's right. And now for real, the rooms are ready, so we can continue. Let's see, wait. All right, I'm gonna go up the tower, the Eiffel Tower. I'm freaking out.